at a distance of 5 km from Mandu Bus Stand. Roopmati Pavilion is an old observation post located in Mandu, Madhya Pradesh. Situated on the southern side of the Baz Bahadur Palace, it is one of the must-include places in Mandu holiday package. Constructed during the 16th century, Roopmati Pavilion is a part of the Rewa Kund Group of monuments in Mandu. It is perched regally on the edge of a 365 precipice overlooking the Nimar Valley. It is amongst the many monuments and palaces that adorn the historical city of Mandu, famous for the legendary tragic love story of Prince Baz Bahadur and Roopmati. The structure was originally built as an army observation post and was later transformed into the abode of Roopmati. According to legend, Roopmati was a Hindu singer and shepherdess with whom Sultan Baz Bahadur, the Muslim ruler of Malwa, fell in love. She agreed to marry him and became the Queen of Malwa. Mughal Akbar decided to conquer Mandu and sent Adham Khan to capture Mandu. Adham Khan marched on the fort and defeated Baz Bahadur. As Adham Khan came to Mandu, he was surprised by the beauty of Roopmati. Rani Roopmati stoically poisoned herself to avoid capture, bringing an end to the love story. Maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India, Rani Roopmati Pavilion is a magnificent expression of Afghan architecture in sandstone. The monument underwent construction in phases during different periods. The original design has a low, large hall with a pair of rooms on each side and a heavy sloping bay. Later it was extended on the west side to enable the queen to see the river and perform religious rites without stepping out of the fort. The basement corridors of the Rani Roopmati's pavilion include various arched openings. The western ledge contains a large reservoir called Rewa Kund, in which rainwater was collected during the monsoon through a channel running from the roof of the structure to the tank below. Also, the picturesque view of the river Narmada flowing 305 m below is a sight to behold. Besides, it is also an ideal place for watching the sunset over the river Narmada. Timings 8 and 6 p.m. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. See you soon with an interesting episode.